Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to explore about right angle triangle pattern plot. So, before starting this, we need to import the required libraries. So, this imports the matplotlib.pyplot module from matplotlib library, which is used for plotting the graphs. And now we'll define the number of rows for how many rows we need to create the right angle triangle. So here the variable rows is set to 5, meaning the triangle will have 5 rows. And now we'll create the figure for the graph. So this creates a 6 into 6 inch figure to ensure the plot is properly sized. And now we'll generate the right angle triangle pattern using nested loops. So for that we'll write this loop iterates through each row, and now this creates the number of dots which increases in each row. So here the outer loop I iterates over the number of rows and the inner loop j controls the number of dots per row. For example, row 0 is equals to 1 dot and row 1 2 dots, row 2 3 dots, row 4 5 dots. And here j represent the horizontal x-axis position and minus I represent the vertical y-axis position using negative values to start from the top, and s is equals to 500. This sets the dot size, and c is equals to green sets the dot color to green. And now we'll set the axis limit. This sets the axis limit on the x-axis range. And this sets the axis limit to y-axis range. These ensure that the dots fit well within the figure. And now we'll remove the axis and formatting of the plot. So for that we'll write this removes the axis, and now this line ensures that the plot has equal spacing. And now we can give a suitable title to the plot. So this provides a suitable title to the plot with font size 14. And now at last we can display this plot. For that we can write plt.show. This displays and renders the plot. And now we can check this. So here we forgot to add the comma, and now we can check this. So this creates a right angle triangle pattern plot in which we have given the dot color as green. So thanks for watching this video.